Right then, so Monty from Bassmechanix. We've got Neil's RS Turbo back in because on Sunday we've actually got an open day, so it's an open invite to anyone who wants to come over, have a demo of what we're about and look at the ethos of the company and that. So it's been 2 years now that we've built Neil's Escort. I've been trying to plan this video for 2 years now. It's just whatever hurdles have came into it. This is one of our little babies. The Escort, when it first came into us, the condition of the vehicle is absolutely phenomenal. We just love the car, and it just needed a bit more of a modern sort of twist to the audio side of things. He wanted to play his music, he loves just blasting around in it. He's the owner's 72-year-old Neil, so he just wanted to come back to his youth and just have a bit of fun. So the design was critical as to what we were doing and how we were going to build the vehicle. Like I say, looking at the condition of the vehicle, we had to keep to the OEM feel of what the car was actually doing. Certainly back in the 80s, that's what people were doing. They were putting big holes in the parcel shelf and free-air subwoofers and 6x9s in the rear and you know, all that sort of stuff. We didn't want to take that direction. We wanted the car to look as OEM and as factory as we could possibly get it, but then produce the sound that we wanted as well. As everybody knows, we've been using Rockford now for 17 years plus really, and it really is our go-to product. We love this stuff, but it's not what would have been used on this particular vehicle back in the 80s. In the 80s, people would have used either Kenwood, or if you had the dollar behind you, you would have used something like Alpine. And in Neil's case, we ended up choosing Alpine. Now, theoretically, the product that's actually in here is off-the-shelf product. We haven't used very expensive speakers or anything like that. The key is how it's installed and what we've actually done to install the product. So when we hark on about it's all about the installation, this is a key example of you can buy these speakers online, you can buy them from houses, you can buy them from almost anywhere really. Like I say, a very affordable product, but it's how it's installed which has a direct resemblance on how it actually sounds. People who have heard this car can't actually believe what we've actually done with it. One of the other points with this as well, we needed to keep the original radio that was in the vehicle. Again, looking at all the modern stuff that we had going on in the car, it's very easy to put a modern head unit into the car, but looking at the condition of the car and how clean everything is, we didn't want to sort of spoil that by putting an aftermarket radio in there, which again would have been a lot easier to do, but we didn't want to do that. So what we ended up doing is we installed a Bluetooth streamer. All the music comes straight off his iPhone, iPad, Android, whatever you want to use Bluetooth wise. It just streams music directly into the vehicle and performs very, very well, So we've got a pair of Alpine 5 1/4 coaxials in the front doors. We've actually made new collars for it, so sound deadening it all and whatnot into the front in the original location with a little bit of a Bassmechanix tweak. In the rear we have a lovely OEM factory looking boot, so when you open the boot there's actually very little that you can see in there. You lift the little tailgate up here and that then reveals the 10-inch subwoofer. We've got two 4-channel amplifiers. We wanted to go for the aesthetic, so we've got a 4-channel amplifier which runs the 4 speakers, and we've got another 4-channel amplifier that actually runs the subwoofer. Subwoofer's running in 0.8 of a cubic foot enclosure, sealed, performs really well. We've got a lovely, tight, clean, crisp sort of sound out of it. We ended up, because of the material that we've used, by the time we originally built the boot floor, it looked as though it was lacking something, so we ended up taking the decision that we trimmed all of this rear panel in the same material. We trimmed the side of the rear arches in the same material. The back of the seats were trimmed as well, so it all flows and just looks really crisp and tidy. again, when Neil first came to us, he was adamant that he wanted to sort of carry, he wanted to be like a very OEM plus, almost as if when the vehicle was first purchased, it had like a little tick box that said he wanted, the upgraded audio system, and that's part of the direction that we've gone down. So we ended up purchasing a new rear seat, cutting it apart and taking the trim materials out. So we've installed that in the rear as well with the amplifiers, just so it sort of carries the feed much nicer. So when you get into the amplifiers, we've ended up putting like a little 45-degree chamfer over the top, which looks really nice. We've ended up putting a little V groove on the back of here, so it just adds a little bit more prominence. The grille over the top is actually all perforated and trimmed in acoustic cloth, so it plays really well with the lid actually on it. Just a load of little quirky little lines on it that just work really well, and it just shows the dedication of Bassmechanix as a company and how our ethos is very much based around the vehicle itself and the consumer, the customer. What does the customer envisage in their head, and how do we enhance that with the vehicle and take everything together and just make it work? You know, bearing in mind, like I say, we built this nearly 2 years ago, and it still looks, the whole car and the install still looks as fresh as a daisy. Since we've had it, like I say, we had it 2 years ago, since we've had it, Neil's then he's had the engine redone, so we're now running, instead of the original 1600 turbo, it's now a 1780 unit with a hybrid turbo. It's way above the sort of 200 horsepower mark, which on a car that's literally doesn't weigh a lot, really keeps up with a lot of modern cars, and actually gives them a good run for its money. It's like your little baby returning after a while. You know, you come and see it, and every time you see it, you look at it and you give yourself a little pat on the back and you go, bloody hell, mate, we did a good job there, didn't we? Yeah, over the moon with it. So, if you ever see it out and about, speak to Neil, tell him he looks good for being 72 years old, and ask for a demo, ask for a little run in it.